Good morning students. God bless you. Welcome to maths class. In this class, we are going to see about the exercise 1.6 sum number 4. Last class we have discussed from the exercise 1.6 first three sum using the exponents and powers. Okay. As well as using the rules and laws. The fourth question, evaluate this question. The solution. Evaluate 2 by 5 whole power 4 into 5 by 2 the whole power minus 2. Okay. 2 by 5 power 4 into 5 by 2 power minus 2. This is the positive exponents and this is the negative exponents. So change into the positive exponents, negative exponents into positive exponents. So first is already in positive. So no, don't change the first one. The second one. The power common for both the terms. So 5 power minus 2 divided by 2 power minus 2, which is equal to 2 by 5 power 4 into. So making the transformation, we get 2 power plus 2 divided by 5 power plus 2. We get 2 by 5 power 4 into. So now we get the positive exponents. So 2 by 5 power plus 2. Okay. Again, the base are equal, so the powers, sum of the powers is 4 plus 2. Okay. So which is equal to 2 by 5 power 4 plus 2 is 6. That is 2 power 6. So 5 power 6. That's all your answer. Otherwise, you find out the answer. Okay. 2 power 6 means 2 multiplied 6 times. Also result for 2 power 6 means 2 multiplied 6 times. 5 times 32, 6 times is 64. Then 5 power 6 means 5 multiplied 6 times. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 26. So 25, 25, 25. Okay, 25, 25 starts 625 into 25. What's your answer? So you find out the answer of denominator. Okay, so this is the answer. That's all. So you want to find the denominator. That's all the first question. Then the second question is your homework. The same manner. Okay, first change into the powers. Okay, like terms. So division first change into multiplication. So interchanging the terms. Next, using the power rule, substituting separately. Then we get 4 by 5 like the question. Okay, similar to the first one. Then third question answer. 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 power minus 3. 2 power 7 into minus 3 common for both the number, minus 1 power minus 3, 1 power minus 3 divided by 2 power minus 3. 2 power 7 into 1 power any number, we get 1. Okay. So 1 divided by 2 power minus 3. Okay. Equal to 2 power 7 into the 2 transfer, the numerator we get 2 power plus 3, which is equal to 2 power 7 plus 3, because base are equal, then the sum of the powers equal to 2 power 10. Then here also want to find 2 power 10. 2 power 10, 2 multiplying 10 times, we get 1024. Have to check 2 into 2 into 2. So multiplying this like 10 times, we get 1024. That's all the fourth question. Okay, next fifth question. Evaluate. First question, 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. The second question, 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. The third question, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 whole power 0. The solution. First question, 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. Okay. 5 power 0 means any number power 0 is 1 plus 6 power minus 1. So divided by 1 divided by 6 power plus 1. So making the transformation. Already known the negative exponential rule. Into 3 power 2, which is equal to 6 power 1 means 6. So using the class multiplication, 1 6 are 6. 6 this plus 1 divided by 6 into 3 power 2. Okay. So is equal to 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 6 into 3 power 2 means 3 multiplying 2 times. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So is equal to 2 3s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Next we get 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 divided by 2. This is your answer of first question. Okay. Next, the second question as well as the same. This is your homework. And the third question. This is your homework. And third question, 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3 power 0. We know that any number power 0 equal to 1. So this fully consider as one number, as we get finally we get the simplification is any one number. So the number power 0 is equal to 1. That's all. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, dear students, next question. Simplify the first question. 3 square the whole power 3 into 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2. This is our first question. Then second question, 9 power 2 into 7 power 3 into 2 power 5 whole divided by 84 power 3. Then the third question, 2 power 8 into 2187 divided by 3 power 5 into 32. This is our third question. Okay. So solution. Simplify the answer. Okay. First one, 3 power 2 the whole power 3 into 2 into 3 power 5 whole power minus 2 into 18 power 2, which is equal to, using the power rule, 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6. So 3 power 2 whole power 3 means 3 power 6 into, this is common for both the numbers, 2 power minus 2 into 3 power 5 the whole power minus 2. Okay. This minus 2 common for these two numbers. Okay. Into, this is multiplying. Okay. So 18 can be split. So every made values split in the prime factors method. So 2, okay, 9 and 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are. So this can be like 2 into 3 into 3 power 2. Have you understood? Okay. So if you get all are converted into the prime factors like, okay. So is equal to 3 power 6 into, this is 2 power minus 2 into 3 power product of the value. Plus into minus 5 2s are 10. Plus a power m whole power n means a power mn into, this is 2 for common, 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 3 power 2. Okay. So only compare first 3. So 3 power here 6, here minus 10, and here plus 2, here also plus 2. That's all the 3 into 2 power all values are minus 2 plus 2. That's all. Okay. So it is equal to 3 power the plus values 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 minus 10 plus 10 minus 10 into 2 power minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So 3 power minus 10 plus 10 is 0 into 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Your answer is, the first question answer is 1. That's all. This slide you do the second sum. Now I am doing the third sum. Second sum is your homework. Okay. The third question solution 2.8 into 2187 divided by 3.5 into 2187 divided by first using the side numbers of 3 means 7 3s are 21, 2 3s are 6 carry 2, 9 3s are 27. Then 3, 2 3s are 6 carry 1, 4 3s are 12 and 2 3s are 9. And second 3, 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3. This is 2 times of 3 carry 2, 7 3s are 21. 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So this number equal to 2 power 8 into 3 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 power 7 whole divided by 3 power 5 into 32. The same matter. 32 can be written among 2, 16 2s are, then 2, 8 2s are 16, and 4 2s are 8, and 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So this is 2 power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it a 1? That's all. Okay. This is equal to. So compare the powers. This is 7 like times 3, 3. This is 7, this is 5. This is the greatest value. So the least value making the transformation. Okay. And 2 also. This is 8, this is 5. This is the greatest one. So this also transfer to the numerator. So we get 2 power 8 into 3 power 7 into 3 power minus 5. This is transfer in numerator. As well as 2 power minus 5. Okay. So equating the like powers, 2 power 8 minus 5. This is a product rule. A power m into a power m into 3 power 7 minus 5. So this is equal to 2 power 8 minus 5 is 3 into 3 power 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay. Then finally your answer is 2 power 3 is 8 into 3 power 2 means 9. So 8 9s are 72. That's all your answer. Yeah, I have to solve this question. Second question is your homework. Okay, dear students, seventh question. Solve for x. I want the value of x. The question is 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. The second question 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x whole divided by 5 power 2 equal to 5 power minus 5. The solution. First question 2 power 2x minus 1 divided by 2 power x plus 2 equal to 4. Okay. So this is fully converted in m. This is fully m. Using the quotient rule, we get 2 power 2x minus 1 minus x plus 2. Okay. So power get the minus, which is equal to 4. 4 can be write 2 power 2. Since the rule a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. This is the rule. So a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Okay, that's all. So 2 power 2x minus 1 multiplying the minus inside minus x minus 2 is equal to 2 power 2. So 2 power 2x minus x plus x minus 1 minus 2 total minus 3 which is equal to 2 power 2. So now we get the base are equal, so equating the power equating the powers x minus 3 equal to 2. So when base are equal means that directly equate the powers. So this is the one of the law. Okay. So x is equal to 2. Making the transformation we get plus 3. So x is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5. That's all your answer. This is the value of x for first question. Have you understood? Then the second question. Then the second question, 5 power 5 into 5 power minus 4 into 5 power x whole divided by 5 power 12, which is equal to 5 power minus 5. The following the same manner, you find out the value of x. So all are in powers. So a power 5, 5 power 5 minus 4 plus x whole divided by 5 power 12, which is equal to 5 power minus 5. This is a product rule. Since a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. The base are equal means sum of the powers. All the base are equal, so adding the powers. Okay. Then the result 5 power 5 minus 4 1 plus x divided by 5 power 12, which is equal to 5 power minus 5. Then using the exponential quotient rule, this is 5 power 1 plus x minus 12. 5 power 1 plus x minus 12 equal to 5 power minus 5. Here, using the rule of a power m divided by a power m equal to a power m minus n. Because a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. This is the rule. So 5 power 1 minus 12 minus 11, this is plus x equal to 5 power minus 12. Now also we get the base are equal, so equating the powers, or exponents, get minus 11 plus x equal to minus 5. The powers only equate. The base are plus 5. Okay. So x only need, making the transformation for this 11 to right side, we get plus 11. So x is equal to 5 plus minus 5 plus 11. So 6. Greater value is sign is plus, so plus 6. X is equal to 6. Have you understood the sum of the sum? Okay, dear students. Today's homework, book page numbers 43 and 45, examples 1.37 and 1.38. Then exercise 1.6, question number 4, 5, 6. So second subdivisions. Okay, that's all. Okay, work out the sums. So do it well. Thank you. God bless you.